Hello everyone. So today we are going to do really special thing. So we always buy the toys, but sometimes when it get bad and not working, we throw. But the good thing is we should repair the toys and learn something about the toys and how it works. And when you're repairing and making it work, you're also saving a lot of money. So here is one example. I have made this car for them and they broke it. And they were trying to repair it, but they don't know how to repair it. So I'm going to show them. Hey, so this is, what is this? Car tire. Good job. Yes. So we have to put car tire here like this, right? And then I am going to use this glue, right? Papa. Okay. Yeah. And we have to let it dry. Yes, let it dry. Good job. Now it's working. And we have to let it dry. Now, oh God bless you. And then we got this. So this is how we are going to make this car work, right? Say good job, Papa. Good, thank you. And then we are going to make. What is this? What color is this? What? No, what? Blue. Good job. Okay. Yes. And to make it more secure, we are going to put little more glue all around the excess. Because you guys are so crazy, right? Good job. Good. So we have to let it dry for 5 minutes to 10 minutes, and then this car will be ready to boom. Yes. Our car is repaired. So we have to just let it dry, and then we will be ready to run this car. What is there? Oh my goodness. Uh-oh. Oh yes, that is giraffe and that is, what is hippopotamus? No, something else. Yeah, so now it's working. See? Let me see how it's working. So now this is repaired. Okay, so first of all, no fight. Tell me, so how we repair it? So we use glue and now it's fine, it's strong, it's working. Right? See? Everything is working. Sure, good. Boom. Now you stand up here and somebody stand up there and you can play. Yes, push it hard, baby.